Hi all. So we have like a library session. It's reading the computer lab in the library. You know? So hi y'all, and welcome back to What's Up India. I am Neerwood, your YouTuber, and so today is the 23rd and it's 8:03 p.m. and whatnot, and I'm waiting on my friend to come out because she's dropping me near my home and then my dad will pick me up. And I have to be up at like 4:30 because I'm leaving home at 4:45 a.m. to go to the gym. But the thing is, we did arms and legs Tuesday, which was yesterday, and I am sore, both top and bottom. Usually I would do either like top or bottom, but so I'm currently like deathly sore. Like, I'm struggling to walk, which is normal every time I do legs. But the arms, like I'm struggling to reach back for things and stuff. Anywho, so wish me luck tomorrow morning. I don't think I will be vlogging because honestly, I'm focusing more on the exercise and it will be too much work to set up. And then there's a lot of people in the gym and it's just gonna be a bit odd me recording, you know. So I probably won't be doing any sort of recording at all. But wish me luck. And then I have tomorrow's Thursday. So tomorrow will be my last day at school. Like it's the end of the week. It's like a Friday with the week starter vibe. Yeah. But I also have to study for midterms because I have midterms coming up. Lord help me. Anyway, that's the end of my little chit chat with you all. I'll see you all another. You'll see me whenever. Yeah. glass has gone again. Don't drink. I guess I didn't put on the combo properly because there's no way. And I'm waiting on my friend to come over. Alright. What's this? Vodka sour?
Whiskey sour.
Whiskey sour. It's definitely sour. Good morning, all. Welcome back to the video. And today I have a podcast today. And my term is coming up and I have an exam tonight at like 10. We will see how we get it done. It's like, I think it's multiple choice. So I should not be too bad. Wish me luck. So I just came from practice and I'm in the car chilling. I have an exam Saturday and then there are 2 matches later. I'll go watch. Check where we at, man. We're in class. If? Yep. I still got the charger plug in. Alright. So, I'm in the bathroom. I don't know why the camera's like that. I'll take it. So, it has been a rough week for me. Ignore the background noise. I don't know why it's keeping so much noise. But yeah, the whatever that is giving a lot of issues. Right. So, I just had a bunch of classes. I have like 4 assignments due. I'm behind work and I'm busy tomorrow. I'm busy Saturday. Sunday, yeah, but I also need to take care to rest because if I don't have rest, I'm probably not going to do anything else. So, I don't think I'm going to vlog as much because I don't vlog much at home because I'm at home, not really doing anything, but yeah. So, I'll do a little vlogging of me studying and stuff. Well, mainly doing work and assignments. And then in the library, yeah. So I'm in the library and I need to do some work for end of term and I have like 3 things to do. So I don't know if I'll like record studying or whatever. But stay tuned for more. Yeah. Bye y'all.